Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today it was a rainy day, so I planned on making some corn. Corn is known as makai in Nepali. So I'm gonna fry this corn in my own style. It's gonna be an awesome recipe for this rainy season. It's raining heavily outside, by the way. I'll add the soya sauce also. This I learned it from Philippines. They used to put this and it used to taste like ultimate. If you don't have lemon, you can put this soya sauce. It tastes just as good. As I finish my corn, it stopped raining outside and it's now a beautiful day.